Jason Aaron wrote Thor for 7 years, and there are so many title changes in that run. How do I keep track?
The easy way is to pick up these 5 volumes of Thor by Jason Aaron, the complete collection.
What if I just want to read about that new Thor?
She debuts here, and her time as Thor wraps up here. If you want slimmer books, her arc runs through 7 volumes, starting here. Come on in and pick 'em up!
You're worthy!
All jokes aside, don't forget War of the Realms after complete Jason Aaron Volume 5.